HR and IT are pretty self-explanatory. Every shop will have one of those. But yeah, I will now go into the investment team. And so the investment team, our main mission or goal is to meet the client objectives, given the constraints, right? That's just pure from the CFA. In simplest terms is, hey, we're going to buy and sell investments to beat, to get a certain return, let's say 100 bips or a percent over the benchmark that they chose, given the constraints they put us on, like, okay, your duration needs to be within 10% of the benchmark. So that's the goal of the investment team, right? We're in charge of buying and selling. Now, who are the people within the investment team? It's usually led by the CIO, the Chief Investment Officer. He will have a team of portfolio managers. The portfolio managers would be folks that are in charge holistically of the portfolio. At the end of the day, they're in charge of the performance of that portfolio. They have the final say. They do the decision making. They work very closely with the credit analyst. And by the way, any of these terms or titles I'm using, there could be interchangeable within firms. So credit analysts are like research analysts or investment analysts. They're in charge of, they're given certain sectors. Within their sectors, they're going to have to look at certain companies and, monitor their earnings or news like mergers and acquisitions and make recommendations, whether to buy it, sell it, hold it. Other big players in the investment team are the traders. These are sit on the trade desk. Their role is to buy and sell the investments. That's usually recommended by the analysts, but kind of blessed by the portfolio manager saying, hey, it does fit in our portfolio. And then finally, we have other types of roles like portfolio analyst. That's usually like an entry-level role into the investment team. You're in charge of like allocating trades, working with the PMs, doing a lot of reporting to help get the day started.